Hello my wonderful people, good day to you all. This is the Zucchini show. In today's video I'm going to teach you people how to prepare zucchini and eggplant sauce. These are the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare the sauce: eggplant, zucchini, fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, eggs, crayfish, curry, tomato paste, pepper, salt, onion, and oil. Let's get started. Now I'm going to slice all the ingredients. After slicing them all, I will add them inside the cooking pot. Watch and see how it's gonna go. As you can see, I'm adding all the ingredients inside the pot. The whole ingredients has already been cut and it has been added inside the pot. After that, I add oil, after adding everything, I cover the pot, then allow it to cook. I will allow it to cook in some minutes. Then I open the pot and check. As you can see, I'm boiling the egg in the other pot. This is tomato paste. So after adding the tomato paste, I will cover the pot. As you can see, I'm stirring everything together. After stirring it, I will cover the pot again and allow it to cook like 3 minutes. As you can see, the sauce is almost done. Then I'll add the cooked egg. After adding the cooked egg, I have to stir it again. As you can see, the sauce is ready now. You can use this sauce to eat yam, plantain, rice, anything of your choice. Please, if you have not subscribed in this video, subscribe, hit like, share to your loved ones. To you all my subscribers, I say thank you. Ciao.